Hello people, how are you? Sorry for the late. I had some issues once leaving, so unfortunately I woke up a little late, but that's fine, because we're bullish. This is the thing, okay? I had this expansion in the daily. I had this expansion, and here price swaps, swap these highs, retrace back. Yesterday was price swept at the lows and closed. I literally expanded all morning, and today price swept. Let's go, let's say 4 hour. Now price swept. Wait. Wait. Okay, yeah. So here you have the daily high. London swept it. And well, this is all accumulation. See, after the expansion, just accumulation, lower resistance liquidity, and price expanded lower. I don't care much because I'm bullish and I'm just waiting for price to retrace. I mean, it was obvious, and yesterday I was like a little anxious because I was already here. And by the way, yesterday I took a long and it hit TP. I think it was like from here to here, and I was gonna. But I was very like anxious because I didn't know if price will retrace down, if price will accumulate, which was very probable, and that's what it did. But well, I have to do that trade recap of yesterday's trade. Anyways, yeah, price is retracing. Now I will just expect for price. Probably it will react over this fair value gap. Maybe we have 12 more minutes. Maybe we will see price go down to equilibrium or discount, maybe here, and react over this order block, then expand higher with the next candle, because I don't think we'll do all in one candle. Yeah, this is not looking sort of reversal. And yeah, even if price reversed, like inverse this fair value opposite, I would wait a little more, because price didn't reach, like didn't went much lower. Like, it's true the price set all this lower resistance liquidity is good, but I need we'll see, because it's not expanding very quickly. If price is reversing, you won't look at price like this. Like, price will not be doing this. If price is reversing, it will like digest up a certain point, and it will be like that, then boom, expands higher, and you see the next 2 5-minute candles are super bullish or super bearish. It's not like this. This doesn't happen. That's why I'm waiting to see the next 15-minute or hourly gap. Fine. I came back from my deal ahead. So it's 10 already. Sorry. Yeah. New hourly candle. As you see, as you said, price is reacting. Let's see if it's the mean threshold. This almost mean threshold of order block, but price bodies are respecting threshold. Price went down to discount. Now I will expect to see price start running higher. Lower side slow. Maybe it will take some time, but anyways, okay, I will be analyzing here on TradingView, but actually I will be executing everything on my my laptop, so obviously you can't see it, but probably I will open a demo, like a paper trade. But you will believe me when I upload like the screenshots, because obviously I'm not stupid. Like I can tell you, oh yeah, my trade hit TP, and you can't see it because actually Top Step is not allowed like any kind of recordings of its platform. So when I tried to record it like this, the recording automatically stopped. So I just took a screenshot of the trade, and yeah, as a proof. And another thing that I really like about Top Step is that they give you a lot of like tools. For example, we have up to 1 second chart. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, I'm trying to process what is happening here. Price is not reversing. What might happen here is that price doesn't want to reverse, it wants to go bearish. If that's the case, I would like to see this 15-minute fair value gap get inversed. And by that I mean that price closes below this last level. Cause if you're bearish, I mean, I can still go bullish. Like I could just aim, you know, like I could just aim for the retrace. I shouldn't, because you shouldn't trade retracement. I mean, you obviously you can if you know how to, but the best thing is to trade expansions like this one. Expansions in lower time frame, expansions in higher time frame. Like I mean, both are expansion, but in high time frame this is considered a retracement. So the thing, okay, let's see now. Like if price now, like if this gap, if this candle's body closes at mean threshold, I will already be like automatically bullish, like even more bullish than I was, because it's like price is showing you that like your bodies respect levels. Like you don't care about the wick, you just see the body, because it has much more importance. It carries out all the volume. So if you look at CISDs / order blocks, if you look at breaker blocks, if you look at what else? Well, we have a ton of liquidity rates, and the most important thing is the body. Here we have enter here in this week. Do you all think that I should have a camera? Like, I should start making videos with a camera. I mean, in first place, I don't have a camera, so it's not like I can record, but I could like maybe the recording is with my laptop. So I don't know how to. Also, um, I'm not scared of the like I know I'm bullish, and I'm not scared of the fact that price is going deeper, and there's 1.5 minutes left. Okay, as you will see here, price is respecting, like the bodies didn't go through. Still, like it didn't close at the main threshold, so we'll have to wait some extra time. You know, like when this is the thing, if we are dealing with a reversal, like if this was a reversal instead of a retracement, like you never know when will price stop running. So if you're, for example, mainly in this case, right, if I'm bullish, I see price doing this, I can say, oh well, price will retrace from this, you know, like I can long here, but the problem is that maybe instead of price going here, price will go until here, and then I will get stopped out because price will continue running lower. So that's the thing, that you never know when price will stop running or what. But if price is respecting this level, well, that should tell you something. Wait, sorry, here this is pure accumulation. This could look like bearish, and it is, but maybe some reversal, who knows. And I'm not sure that I want to enter long here, because it's not very safe, let's say. Okay, in this case, we will see price break this last bearish leg higher. And I will be aiming to that's already too much. Not the best. I'm starting to think that I should change the bias. Let me check this out. And this actually looks bearish. If price inverse this, I will leave for value up. Okay, you see, this is a reversal. This is a proper reversal. We have an expansion and expansion. Like, this is how expansion, like this is how reversals should look all the time. Now I will be waiting for price to break this higher. If it does, and enter the retracement. Oh shit. it's taking some time to reverse this. It starts like it's just starting to look like something good. You see here, well, as I said in other videos, long wick sometimes like mean reversals, change instead of delivery of the price. Not always, but it could be for example here, like it could be like an indicator, not officially, but yeah, I'm just ranging here. So at any moment I want to see a displacement higher. Okay, finally, price is expanding higher. Sorry for not talking. I had to do some stuff. Well, yeah, as you see, let's do a little recap. Yesterday we expand higher. Asia, London, just accumulated. New York, AM expanded lower, retraced back. We went to discount, and no price is respecting the bodies of the candles are respecting the 15-minute and the 1 hour fair value gap. We have a 10-minute left. I don't think price will go all the way down again. Price is already expanding higher. It's giving me that displacement. Well, displacement. I mean, it's doing what I wanted. Okay, so whenever price comes back again here, we'll just think to open. And if now we have this, which could also work, though it's best if check how much this is. Open this here. Alright, it's fine. Okay, so we'll do this again, so you all can get this. Well, we retrace back, we accumulated, and let's see if we have an SMT. Perfect, right here at these lows, because they're like in theory we need a sweep of liquidity before expanding higher, and we didn't, like in Mnqh at least, well in US 100 there was no liquidity sweep, so I was like, what the fuck, there's something left. And yeah, it was the precisely the thing. As you see, prices are reacting over these. Okay, for me this is a good setup. Price broke this 5-minute CSD higher. Okay, close above the body. Price respected pretty much the 15-minute fair value gap. In the hourly, all the same. Price, as you see, like for a moment it did went down, but like it's fine if the wick goes a little deeper. I don't really care about the wick, I just care about the body. Where does the body close? And it's like for now it's closing within the range, within the 1 hour for value gap range, which is the only thing that I care of. And we could change this to 1 hour. That's it. Maybe I should have waited for another confirmation higher. Like, I'd expect price to like expand, break this 5-minute CSD, retrace a little, as it's doing now. You see this little retracement, and then expand higher. Maybe I should have entered here first to have an extra confirmation the price is bullish, and second to lower my stop loss, because it's like there's not it's not a problem. The stop loss is not a problem. The problem it is that like I risk $500, which is like I think 1% of the 50k account. The only thing is that the more it ticks, like the more far it is from the actual let's say position, the less lots you will put and the less money you will get in profit. This means if you, instead of 5.5, you have 10 lots, your TP will like be much higher, obviously. But if you put your stop loss, let's say here, you have a less ticks, less range, which means it will, like the stop loss will still be $500, but you have many more lots. Let's say you risk more, or each tick has higher value. Okay, it's a thing that took me a while to understand, because like I never really got, I never really understood what these type of things were. And another thing, I could actually, like, if price breaks like now, here now I could just open two more, because it did not run, like it did not went all the way down to the body, but it really got pretty close. I mean, this is just demo. I'm not doing this actually on my real account, so you know, like I'm not betting more than $500 on my account. Okay, just for you to know. And actually we're in the 11 a.m. macro, which means in less volatility, no, in less volatile, I don't know, less liquid days, you should have more liquidity on these times. In this case is from in this case is from 10:50 a.m. to 11:10 a.m. and then it's from 11:50 a.m. to 12:10 a.m. and from 10:10 a.m. to 9:50 a.m. and like that. By the way, I think I will change in here. This is a swing low within a fair value gap, which now is a protected low. This means that if price breaks higher and it left a swing low inside of a fair value gap, which is already mitigated, this swing low should not be violated. Like, price should not trade lower back into this low, because it's already like if price is bullish, price should respect this level, and you can see it all over. I mean, let me show you. Okay, for example, like this here, you have, this is a high low, high low. This is a clear typical bullish tendency, right? You have high highs and high lows, but you don't see price break the lower low. It does get into the same fair value gap as this low, but it does not trade back into this level. Okay, these levels are intact, and if you're bullish, it should stay like that. The same here, you see, swing high, swing low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I mean, if price is choppy and it's how you say, let's say accumulating, well, you can't expect price to respect any level because it's accumulating, right? But 30 seconds, that's fine. If we inverse this in the 25 seconds we have left, that will be perfect, absolute perfect. I don't think price will do that, but there's still a chance. And even if it doesn't, like this is fine for me, because if price ends up above mean threshold, that's just perfect. And I will be aiming, well, let me check out something. This is a 15-minute. So theoretically I could open here. So yeah, for me the only reason price is trying to go lower is just to reach this level, the CISD body, and it will probably. I will just like do a little tap there and go higher as a little retracement from this little expansion here. I see a little tap, and now I don't want to see price trying to go lower anymore. Let me just, okay, now yeah, right? Well, you see, 100 points. Okay, this should be enough. 130, and this is, okay, that's fine. One to 1.3, that's fine. Okay, I already moved my stop loss in the top step account to this particular low. And well, maybe price is just taking its time. Maybe we'll reach the mean threshold of this order block. Maybe no. Anyways, we're well, actually we're already in micro. If we look in the 1 minute, you can find this burst fair value gap that it should act as support. As you all know, unlike much how it's developing here. Although I know it's choppy, I know it's ranging because it's like an accumulation, and it's pretty clear. I was expecting more rejection. I wasn't expecting price to range so low. I was just thinking, oh well, it already displaced enough. At least I move my stop loss, so now I'm not losing as much as before. I'm not risking as much as before. Alright. Again, if I see price expand high and break this high and already arrive to this 5-minute fair value gap, I would like to move my stop loss there, and I will, in fact, if it does break here already, this will be my break-even point. Okay, that's my break-even point. Because we have kind of what's it called? We'll say equal highs. Yeah, it's not looking the best. I know things that happen. Let's see if we got luck. Because you can see that the price is very rangy. So just for price now expands higher and doesn't sweep this low before expanding higher. We're almost finishing macro. Not nice. Not very nice. Okay, fine. Anyways, I don't know why this failed. Like, it was actually like just my model. I don't get why. But anyways, good luck. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Because we have SMT, we have the retracement, respecting the 1 hour fair value gap. Price broke, foreign CSD higher, retrace VAC. Maybe I should have just left my stop loss here. Like, because for me it looks just bullish. It is a perfect bullish setup. I don't get why it's not like I know that probably I shouldn't have my stop loss to a lower time swing high, but I will see maybe if later I open another one in like in a continuation setup. Anyways guys, see you in the next one, and if I do another trade I will post it, and thank you for watching.